In this video, I am doing some cleaning. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. This is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome, I'm so glad you're here. I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. Now, if you are interested in this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's get into this video. Now today what I'm doing is a little zone cleaning. I didn't show you the first part where I took all the canisters off the coffee station and poured everything out of them, which are in these bowls. And then I washed them and I have them here in the drawer in the sink drying so I can refill them. Now what I'm doing is cleaning this area, and that ring is in there because I don't like the way it looks. I'm trying to bleach it, but it didn't work. So I ended up ordering some on Amazon. They came in the next day. So here is the coffee station. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that coffee maker. I'm going to run vinegar through it several times. It needs a good cleaning. And I have the other coffee maker, but I'm going to do it at a different time. So we're just going to stick with one side for today. But here is the mess I'm going to clean up, and stick around and see how it turns out. I try to clean the containers out at least once a month and wash them because sometimes they can get really grimy, and I just don't like the dust on them. That's just a Stephanie thing. But I try to clean the jars at least once a month, pour everything out and wash them. So let me know what you think about my zone cleaning at the coffee station. Let me know down below. I would love to read your comments. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.